Amendment 4 protects the people's privacy, property, and security by restraining government searches and seizures. It reflects the biblical principle that authority must respect personal boundaries and act justly, not arbitrarily. Proverbs 11 verse 1, Exodus 20 verse 15. Amendment 4, searches and seizures, simplified. Ratified in 1791 as part of the Bill of Rights. Added to the Constitution of the United States. What the amendment says, plain language. The government may not search your person, home, papers, or belongings without a good reason. Seize your property without lawful authority. To search or seize, the government generally must have a warrant based on probable cause, approved by a judge, that specifically describes the place to be searched, the items or persons to be seized. What this means in simple terms: you have a right to privacy. Police cannot search you or your home just because they want to. Warrants must be specific, not broad or vague. Government power is limited by law, not convenience. Back-end index pointing right, this amendment protects people from harassment and abuse by authorities. Why this amendment exists. British officials used general warrants to search colonists without cause. Homes were invaded and property seized arbitrarily. The founders wanted to ensure Americans would be secure in their homes and lives. What Amendment 4 does: protects personal privacy, safeguards property rights, requires accountability from law enforcement, prevents unreasonable government intrusion. What Amendment 4 does not do: it does not protect criminal activity. It does not prevent lawful searches with proper warrants. It does not eliminate all searches, only unreasonable ones. It does not block emergency actions allowed by law. Biblical and constitutional insight. Justice requires fairness. God condemns unjust gain and abuse of power. Property respected. Scripture protects ownership and boundaries. Authority limited. Rulers must act lawfully and with restraint. Human dignity. Privacy reflects respect for the individual. In one sentence, Amendment 4 protects people from unreasonable searches and seizures by requiring lawful, specific warrants based on probable cause, preserving privacy and limiting government power.